Alright, everybody, we're back with some Minecraft Education Edition. Want to join me at 2 p.m. today, May 8th, 2020. All you gotta do is just like and subscribe, and you'll be able to join me. The IP address is 192.168.0.41. 192.168.0.41. Alright, if you got that, be good. So, last episode, I was trying to get some lapis, and I just dug all this. And guess what I found? I found lapis. A ginormous amount of lapis. So, yeah. I'll come back to you when I get to mining this. Alright, I just got back, and I got a crazy amount. I got 6417. And I did get an enchanting book. But I got all the water out. Besides all this. Hopefully get it all out at one point. Because it's very annoying. And I'll show you that I got the enchanting book. So, yeah. Thought I just dragged that rabbit around. Hopefully I don't die. Dang it. No! No! Alright, I gotta fill this back up. Oh! Do this. Yes! Piece of string. Now everybody, I'm gonna make a bow. I can make a bow. And they're coming at me. My worst fear to kill is a witch and an enderman. Well, a witch and an ender dragon. Even though I killed a witch the last episode, I'm still afraid to kill. Because they at least kill me like once or twice. And there's my enchanting book, everybody. I always get to read this amount of anything. I love enchanting stuff. Because it's just fun. Look at this one. See if I can enchant it again. Nope. I do have anvil and I can enchant it. I can only enchant 3 things. I can only enchant 3 things though. Enchant this. Alright. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put my anvil down. I like the sound of it when you put it down, because, listen. No. Didn't make the noise. But, I'm gonna put this plus this. So that plus that. Or should it be It was it. What? How do I? I don't know. Wait a second. It goes this and this. Then I gotta put the name in it. Whatever. Wait a second. Nope, don't worry. Whoa. Alright. Don't know how that worked, but so I'm gonna do it again. God sword. There we go. Alright. Looks like I spent. What the? Wait, are you serious? I need to really cover that up. And I need to find a way how to. Well, find. I can't even see anything. Piggy. Whatever it is. It's not a piggy, it's a cow. Are they kissing or something? I don't see how many hits this is. I don't want to kill it, but I'm gonna have to. 1, 2, 1. Oh, get back here. So there's 1, 2. Too bad. Should have killed the little piggy. Oh yeah, get back to making my bow. Alright, so if you guys join that too, I already have a room set up for you. But if you mess anything up, you ain't everybody join again. Alright? So, I can make 22. It's not happening. So, to how? Alright, I already have shield. I have lead. But all I need is arrows. Oh, I'm just going back out here. I'm gonna make some wood. Put some of this stuff on the chest and about to hook some up. Alright. Now this is gonna be a lot faster. Alright. there, put that in there. Alright, so we're gonna try to make a bow. Get a string. I can find it. What's wrong with sticks? Pretty sure it's in my chest. Yep, right here. Yeah, I'm going to... Let's see. Bow. Alright, I see back when I enchanted. Alright, I'm back. And... watch this. I'm gonna shoot myself. Wait a second. I'm gonna shoot myself. Shot myself. Okay, so... I think there was only one arrow, but this is my arrow chest. These took all these arrows right here. Just took like 5 days to get. Well, they're poison arrows. So, let's go test them. My god sword. What if I change my name? Turn into a god bow. This one's Jack 2000. Because that's my username for everything. On Roblox is JAKCK 2000. Come on. Alright. Let's go test these. Yep, it's not done. I don't want to hit you, horse, but... what the? I didn't want to do that. Oh, it's not. Alright. Okay. There's one. I could take 2 hits right now. There's 2. This is... I'm like the master at shooting. I'm not the master at aiming. Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm on creative now. It just randomly puts me on creative for some reason. At times. I'll turn back on survival. I hate it when it turns me on to creative. When I get on survival, this video will be over. Right? About in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.